Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear guys, for my dear audience, in this video I'll describe some different and much beautiful ideas of die welding project or welding sculpture 100 plus. So my dear guys, creating die welding projects and sculpture can be an exciting way to combine art with practical skills. So here are over 100 ideas for welding projects ranging from simple to complex that you can try at home. So my dear guys, first of all, home and garden decor. First of all, garden trellis. Create a decorative and functional trellis for climbing plants and metal planters. So well planters of various shapes and sizes for your garden. And wind chimes, design wind chimes using metal rods and other scrap place pieces. So birdhouse, make a sturdy metal birdhouse, and outdoor fire pit, construct a fire pit for your backyard. And garden art sculpture, when create abstract or themed sculptures for your garden. And hanging plants holder, well plant holder to hang from porches, trees, and metal fences. Build decorative and functional fences also. And arbors, design an arbor for your garden entrances. And garden benches also, craft metal benches for seating. And plant stand, create multi-tiered plant stands. And garden stakes, design garden stake for sporting plants. Mailboxes, construct a unique custom mailbox. And welding project is using outdoor lights. Weld outdoor light fixture and patio furniture. Build tables and chairs for your patio. And my dear guys, when we talk about making furniture by welding project, then coffee table, create a stylish metal and wood coffee table. And bookshelves, design bookshelves with a modern metal frame. And bar stools, make industrial style bar stool. And bed frames, well, custom bed frames also. But special in my video, I animal welding project by animal special or bird, special bird for making. So my dear guys, if we talk about some furniture also, dining table, TV stand, wine rack, desk, chair, side table, magazine rack, wall shelves, coat rack, and shoe rack, storage cabinet, art and sculpture. So abstract sculpture, create modern abstract sculpture and animal sculpture, wild animal figure like horse, bird, or fish. So geometric shape, design sculpture and design sculpture with geometric patterns. And tree of life, craft a tree of life sculptures and create flowers from metal when we talk about a metal flower. But my dear guys, in welding sculpture, special in my video I prescribe is animal sculpture. May welding project use in animal sculpture. My dear guys, a different animal sculpture which is made is a beautiful. It can be a use in a decoring purpose. Special for a special creating animal sculpture through welding can be a fascinating and rewarding project. So here are some my dear guys different idea and step to help you get started. First of all, bird or also fish. Sculpt bird like eagle, owls, or songbird also. Create fish such as koi and trout or abstract sea creatures. And in dog make, well sculptures of different dog breeds are also. And cat, create sculptures of domestic cats or wild cats like lions and tiger are also. And horses also sculpt realistic or abstract horses are also made. Some elephant made makes large majestic elephant sculptures and butterflies, create delicate butterfly sculpture. Dragon, design fantastic creature like dragon. Reptiles, sculpture, snake, lizard, or turtle. So bear, create bears in various poses, and deer, wild deer with intricate antler, and wolves also sculpt wolves hauling or running in different categories, and rabbits also create playful rabbit sculptures, and some insect make large insect like batless or ants. So some fishes create fish such as koi, trout, or abstract sea creature. So frog weld frog in different poses, all make detail, all sculpture with big eyes, and eagles create eagles with the wings spread wide, and in tiger sculpt powerful tiger. Whales make large majestic whale sculpture, and some material needed in for making the animal sculpture. First of all, metal sheet or rod, which is used, and welding machine are also used. Different machine which is making some different animals, different birds. So protective gear, helmet or gloves are also. So metal cutting tools like as an angle grinder, plasma cutter, hammer, and anvil. So some clamp and welding table, sandpaper or grinding tools, paint or patina optional for fishing, finishing. So some step to create an animal sculpture. Choose an animal first of all. Decide on animal you want to sculpt and find references images. Sketch a design. Draw your sculpture from multiple angle to plan out the structure and detail. So select material. Choose a type of metal and thickness you will use based on the size and complexity of your sculpture. So cut piece, use cutting tools to cut the metal into the shape needed for your sculpture and shape the metal. Use a hammer, anvil, and other shaping tool to bend and form the metal pieces as required, and assemble a piece, track weld the piece together to form the basic shape of your sculpture. And detail welding, once the basic shape is formed, go back and weld the pieces more securely, adding detail as you go. So grind and sand, smooth out rough edge, and welding using a grinder and sandpaper. So add detail, use smaller pieces of metal to add finer detail like pure feather, and or scales. So some finishes apply paint, uh, patina, or protective coating to finish your sculpture. So my dear guys, tips for animal sculpture is proportion. Pay attention to the proportion of your animal to make it look realistic. So some texture, experiment with the different texture to mimic your feather or skin, and some poses, or choose dynamic poses to bring your sculpture to life. Layering, layer smaller metal piece to add depth and detail. So patience, take your time with each step, especially the detailing phase. And in safety, always wear proper protective gear and work in a ventilated area. So simple animal sculpture, some metal bar, sketch design, cut body pieces, create wing, assembly body, attach wing, add detail, finishing touch. So my dear guys, when add detail, cut and weld a small piece of the break eyes and tall feather. So grind down rough edges, and we talk about a finishing touch. Add any additional detail and finish with patience or patience if desired. By following by these ideas and steps, you can create a wide variety of animal sculpture. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. Once again, thank you very much.